Today I want to share with you a quote. This is one by Albert Einstein, and it's one that is tremendously important, especially in a world that can seem overly busy and overrun with information and technology and too many things on our to-do list. A world that can seem overfilled or overflowing, but unfulfilling at the same time. The quote says as follows: "If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not a person or objects." Think about that. Having goals in life, meaningful goals, things that you can strive for and work for, and have a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction when you achieve them. That's what contributes to true happiness, according to Einstein. It's not people. People come and go. People can change. People can leave. People can disappoint. Not objects. Objects can disappear. They can break. They can lose their meaning. But it's the goals that can truly help us when we aim to find and live a happy life. So think about that quote and think about your own life, your own happiness, and goals that may or may not exist for you, and how they can take you to a happier place in life.